Hello, we'll see how to install macOS on VMware on Windows 10 or 11 PC. So first we have to download the VMware player. To download VMware player, type in Google VMware Workstation free download. After that, click on the vmware.com link. See here download option. You can download from here the VMware for Windows. It's a pro. If you want to download the player, then that will be free. This is the 30 days trial. After that, you have to pay. It will be expired. So after downloading this, you have to run VMware player. Then I will open here my VMware player. Click on create virtual machine. Typical, then next. I will install operating system later. Click on next. Here you have to select Apple macOS. But first, when you install the VMware Workstation, this option will be not shown to you. So be, to enable this option, you have to run one unlocker. So I will provide in video description the link to download these files. So unlocker for VMware, then run this file bin install. So after install this, it will open the command prompt and automatically install that option, configure that option. So then you come back here and then click on create virtual machine. I will install operating system later. Select Mac OS here 10.15. Next, give your Mac OS name. I will type here Mac OS. Default file location will be this one. If you want, you can browse from here and save wherever you want to save this one. I will go with default 40 GB. I will make it 60 GB because for macOS it will be good if you have more space as well as RAM. Click on finish. Then before power on, you have to click on edit virtual machine because I will increase the RAM here from 4 GB to 8 GB. So it will be good to have more RAM so the installation will be faster. Processor, here number of processor I will make it 2, number of core processor also 2, 60 GB hard disk. In CD DVD player, click on use ISO and the ISO you have downloaded from website, that image you have to browse here. Once again, I will put the link in description of this video to download the ISO file. So here macOS Catalina ISO I have. After install Catalina, you can use it or you can update it to macOS Big Sur or the latest one Mohair, whatever you want. So finish this configuration, then you have to go to the virtual machine configuration file. Like my virtual machine is saved in documents, virtual machines, and here my macOS I give path while creating the virtual machine in VMware. So close first VMware and then come here. We'll find here configuration file, macOS configuration file. So in file type, see virtual machine configuration. Open this file in Notepad. Open with Notepad, and then in last you have to type smc dot version space is equal to space 0. Then save this file. Okay. After that you come to VMware and then run your installation. I will click on power on the virtual machine. It will take around 20 minutes or half hour to install this one. So here you can see if the files are copying, it's loading. Now, after copying files, we can select the language here. Click on next. The installation for macOS is little bit slower as compared to other because we know this is just compatible with only Apple hardwares. So this is for testing purpose. Now click on disk utility, click continue. Here we have to format the disk. Click VMware SATA. Click on VMware SATA. Then click erase. Give the name for your hard disk partition and erase. After complete the formatting, close this dialog box. Click on install macOS. Click continue. Click on continue again. Accept the license agreement. Agree. Then select the disk and click on install. Now here we have to select our country and region. So I will select here. This installation take a long time actually, like around 45-50 minutes it take. So select the region, click on next, and language is English here. Input ABC, dictation English. I will go default setting. As per the country you select, the language will be selected automatically. As per the country you select, the language will be selected automatically. English will be there and second language will be that particular country's language selected. Click on continue. Don't transfer my information now. Continue. Here if you want you can sign in with your Apple ID or you can create also if you don't have, but it requires internet connection. I will click on setup later. Just skip terms and conditions. Click on agree. Just agree. Give the name to your PC. You will give the name here user1, account name user1, password I will type here. Whatever password you want you can type here. For this demo I will go with short password. Click on continue. You can see here is creating account is showing. Now express setup. You can read and go as per your required setting. See here the option customize setting. I will go with default one. Continue. Continue. Here weekly reports, screen time, passcode, everything is asking. Setup later. Enable Siri. Continue. Ask Siri in English. Yes. Continue. Share audio recordings. Not now. Continue. Now the setup is almost finished. We will have the desktop macOS. You can use whatever theme here you want. I will go with light one. There are options light, dark and auto. So here my setup is done. You can see now the updates are available. If you want, you can update this Catalina into Big Sur or macOS 5. Right click and eject macOS Catalina. So here now our macOS is ready. You can click on Apple icon, shut down, restart your system from here. All options will be here. The Finder option we can see from here our applications, documents, downloads folder. So all our install application will find in Launchpad. And the application will be here. Like here, if I click on Safari, I will get the Safari. For the next video, I will show you how to maximize this display. Because as you can see here, the display is in particular size, so I cannot even resize my display from here. Click on Apple icon here, left corner, and then click on about this Mac. You will see the configuration. 8 GB display is showing only 3 MB, and display setting I will have resolution 1024 into 768. So to increase this resolution, as well as here you will see the graphics, some increased in graphics memory also. We have to install tool. So in next video clip I will show that. Thank you.